So Vessel has added the DAK-3 and the DAK-4 to their retractable, replaceable blade electrical knives. Except for the colors, the handles are all the same. They have no differences in features in the handles. The differences is all in the blades. The DAK-1 and the DAK-4 are both shipped with alloy tool steel blades. With the DAK-4, you get the curved or the sickle blade. The replacement blade for the DAK-1, which is alloy tool steel, runs about 700 yen. The replacement blade for the DAK-4 is also alloy tool steel. It's just that it's curved, and that runs about 1,300 yen. Paying almost 2 times for the curved blade versus the straight blade. The replacement blade for the DAK-2, which is stainless steel, runs about 1,000 yen. Right now it's on sale for about 900 yen. The replacement blade for the DAK-3 is also stainless steel, but because of the Damascus steel look to it, you're going to pay about 3,000 yen for that. So you're going to pay about 3 times more for the Damascus steel blade than you are for the regular stainless steel blade. So is it real Damascus steel? No, it's not. I'm going to call this a decoration. So this decoration appears to be etched on. And the reason that I'm saying that is because when you look at the edge of the steel, you don't see any layers in there. Each blade ends up with a unique Damascus steel decoration. All of these blades are interchangeable between all of the handles. There's no differences in the handles. All of these caps come off at the back. Blade comes out like this. There's no blade storage. That's not blade storage right there. All the knives come with this cutter. But I think it's easier just to do this. All the knives come with this reverse threaded knob. So I watched a video, I'll link to it in the description of my video. In that video, the representatives from Vessel explained that one of the reasons they made this turn backwards, if something bumps the knob while you're cutting, it tightens and not loosens, so you're less likely to lose the knob, it's not going to loosen up on you, and that's the idea. So when it's in your hand, it's push to loosen, pull to tighten. So the curved blade makes it easier to cut stuff like this. Makes the cut a little more aggressive. All right, let's do some test cuts. Here's some 10 gauge. Good job, 3 Peaks. Okay, here's the Damascus. Pretty easy cut. Yeah, the tip on this is more aggressive. It almost feels like there's a little more resistance. Not sure if that's just my perception. Yeah, that was definitely easier. Yeah, that too. It digs into the paper insulator in there and it just bunches up on that curved tip. Yeah, that one just slices through it. Man, that 3 Peaks is really nice. Yeah, it definitely takes more effort. It digs into this paper insulator and the paper insulator just bunches up in there. The straight blade is angled differently and it just goes right through that. So you're definitely not going to always want a sickle or curved blade on these. Let's see how it does against the Knipex. Well, the Knipex does a really nice job. Only thing is that when that blade gets dull, I have to sharpen it because I can't replace it. Let me try this one. I reviewed this years ago. Does a pretty good job. This one isn't as sharp. Stainless steel blade seems most effortless. I think if I could only get one, I would probably get this, maybe splurge on this just to look cool. You know, maybe this one is an option. Here, does the 3 peaks fit? Oh yeah, that's definitely the winning combo there. And then that goes in there like that. So at the end of April 2025, this is the complete Vessel DAK lineup. If you feel so inclined, feed the algorithm for me. You know how YouTube works. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.